front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Now just click on device name under Basic Info and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, select OK in this pop-up and then also OK in the second one, now about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!